Building on our previous talk about algorithm trade-offs, hello, deep learning explorers. Here is what most tutorials never tell you about neural networks. They are not just math equations, but a way to sculpt information. Stop thinking about deep learning as just a black box. If you truly want to master it, you need to see it as a hierarchy of simple changes that build a complex understanding. Imagine a single Lego brick. On its own, it can only perform one simple task, like flattening a curve or shifting a shape. In deep learning, we call this a layer. Think of it like a single stage in a factory assembly line. It takes an input, applies a small predictable change, and passes it along. By itself, one brick cannot build a castle, but it provides the essential foundation. The magic happens when we stack these bricks on top of each other. This is the depth in deep learning. Each layer builds upon the work of the previous one. If the first layer identifies a simple line, the second might combine those lines into a corner, and the third might form a square. Like a Lego tower, each added stage allows the model to sculpt a more intricate final shape from raw data. As data travels through this tower, it is constantly being reshaped. Think of it like a piece of clay being passed through different molds. At the bottom, the clay is just a lump. These are the raw pixels or numbers. By the time it reaches the top, the molds have pressed it into a recognizable form. Every layer acts as a filter that discards noise and highlights the most important features. This hierarchy is what makes deep learning so powerful. The lower layers handle the tiny details, like the studs on a Lego brick. The middle layers recognize patterns, like a window or a door. The final, highest layers see the big picture, like a whole castle. This allows the computer to understand the world in levels of abstraction, just like we do when we recognize a face from a distance. When we feed information into a deep network, it flows like water through a series of purification filters. Each filter catches different impurities until only the pure essence of the data remains. If we are trying to identify a cat, the first filter might look for fur-like textures, while the last filter confirms the presence of ears and whiskers. But how do these bricks know what shape to take? Think of a sculptor refining a statue. Initially, the bricks are random and blocky. But as we show the model examples, it slowly adjusts the shape of each brick to better represent the target. It is like tuning a musical instrument. We tighten or loosen the connections until the network plays the right notes for every piece of data it sees. While we have looked at just a few layers, modern deep learning models can have hundreds or even thousands of them. Imagine a skyscraper made of millions of tiny, specialized Lego bricks. This massive scale is what allows AI to translate languages, generate art, and drive cars. The more layers we add, the more nuanced and sophisticated the transformations become, allowing the machine to tackle human-level tasks. So why does depth matter? Think of it like a recipe. A shallow model is like a one-step snack, while a deep model is a multi-course gourmet meal. Each layer adds a new dimension of flavor and complexity. By breaking down hard problems into a series of very small, manageable transformations, deep learning makes the impossible possible, turning raw numbers into meaningful insights about our world. Deep learning is the art of stacking transformations to build intelligence. We started with the simple Lego brick of a single layer and saw how a tower of these layers creates abstract understanding. Whether you are building your first model or just curious about AI, remember that depth is the key. Thank you for exploring the architecture of intelligence with us. Keep building and keep learning.